In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn money from Canva templates. By the end, you'll know how to design a simple template in Canva, generate a shareable template link, package it for delivery, and get it ready to sell on marketplaces or your own site. We'll use a logo template as our example, but the same process works for social posts, business cards, planners, and more. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Canva's website. Log into your account so your designs save properly and you can access all the share options. On the home page, click Create to start a new project, then pick what you want to sell. I'll choose a logo since it's a popular digital product and easy for customers to customize. Inside the editor, you can upload your own assets. Click Uploads, then Upload Files, and choose any images or icons you want to include in your template. To add editable text for your buyer, select Add a Text Box and type anything you want, like a placeholder, brand name, and tagline. Make it flexible by adjusting the font style, size, and color so it's attractive but easy to swap. You can also change the background. Click the background, open the color picker at the top, scroll through options, and choose a color that suits your style. When your first page looks good, click Add Page. The second page will act as your delivery note or thank you message. Include a short welcome and a line that says something like, "Click here to access your editable template." We'll link that text to the actual Canva template link next. Click Share, choose Template Link, then select Create Template Link. This special link lets buyers open a copy of your design without changing your original. Click Copy to grab it. Go back to the second page. Click the text you want to make clickable, open the three dots, choose Link, paste the template link, and click Done, then Done again to confirm. Now prepare the file for delivery. Click Share, choose Download, and pick your file type. Select PDF Standard so the link remains clickable for your customer. Click Download to save it to your computer. You're ready to list your template. Upload the PDF to platforms like Etsy, local marketplaces, or your own website. And be sure to market it clearly. Use strong thumbnails or mock-ups, relevant keywords, and clear instructions explaining that buyers should open the PDF and click the link to access and customize their template. A concise description and consistent branding can make a big difference in sales. That's it. Your Canva template is now packaged, linked, and ready to earn.